Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Thursday, October 29th. Oh my goodness, we are getting so close to Halloween. I better start getting my costume ready. I wonder what I should dress up as this year. Don't forget, you can wear your costume to school tomorrow, but please, if you have any weapons or like bloody stuff or scary stuff that goes on your costume, let's leave that at home. If you have a mask, you can bring that mask. We'll have a little bit of the day you can wear it, but make sure it's a mask that you can take off during class. So think about those things. If you have more questions, ask your teacher and they will help you out. Let's get today started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand up with me. Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Go ahead and have a seat. Show me slant. Get those hands down in your lap. Show me that you're ready to listen. Today, we have one of the teacher's favorite areas to make sure that is nice and clean and tidy. Today, we're going to talk all about how can you help keep your classroom clean. So how can you keep your area clean with all of your things picked up and put away? How can you make sure your desk doesn't get all grimy and sticky and gross? How can you make sure that things you share in your classroom stay clean and get put in the right places? So today, have a chat with your class about how can you keep your classroom clean. And I'm looking forward to hearing some shout outs from people who have been working really hard to help out the teachers and keeping your classroom nice and clean. Look at that picture. That is a nice, tidy classroom. And oh my goodness, look at that desk. I know we have some students who have desks that look like that. Super nice and tidy, ready to learn. So have a chat this morning. How can you keep your classroom clean?